Hi, Art Kurtz, and this is Easy Access Math. And before we start today, I want to endorse Math by Fives. Math by Fives, really good videos that takes your math skills to the next level. After you're done with our workshops at Easy Access Math, you will be in an advanced math course perhaps, and you will want to check out the really great videos over at mathbyfives.com and also at YouTube. I highly recommend them. Check them out. It's a whole new way of learning math, and I know you'll like it. And so we'll get there in a minute. Right now we're going to go over one of your topics as part of the Easy Access Math workshop, and that is finding the slope. What you will get on your exit exam is a problem that will look something like this. It's going to say, find the slope, and you'll be given a graph. Now, I helped you out a little bit here. I put in the points on the graph. I put in the coordinates. You're not going to get that. You're going to have to find the coordinates on your own. So I highly recommend you check out a video of finding the coordinates, points on a graph, on a line, on a graph, and how you get those coordinates if you're not familiar with that, because that part you would have to do. Now on this line, the coordinates I will find to get my 2 points, because you need 2 points to find the slope, and then you'll go ahead and do the slope formula, which I have right up here, and I'll address that in a minute. The points that are easiest to see are the ones that cross the axes, the x-axis, the y-axis. And over here I have this point crossing the x-axis, and it's -3. It's going back 3 from the y, so that's -3 on the x. And it's not going up or down. It's staying right on the x, so its y is 0. My other point that crosses an axis is this one right here, and that one is going up 4 along the y-axis, so its y is 4, but it's not going left or right, so its x is 0. Remember, x is the left and right, staying right in the middle, so it's at 0. Y is going up 4. So there are my 2 points. Now, I labeled this one point 1 and I labeled that one point 2. It really doesn't matter which one you call 1 and 2, but stay consistent. Keep your x's and y's consistent. Now, here is my formula worked out. It's y2, the second point of y, minus y1, the first point of y, and I put that right over here, over x2, which is my second x, which was 0, minus x1, which was -3. So over here I have a minus, a negative, and you know when I subtract a negative, you remember what happens with that. Watch your sign numbers. And I will now work that out. 4 take away 0, of course, is 4 over 0 minus a -3. So remember, keep, change, change. Gives me plus a +3. Whenever you're subtracting a negative, you would do it like that. And so I have a slope of 4 over 3. And in honor of Math by Fives, I already drew my box and flower, and I'll put my answer inside there, 4 over 3. Now, you noticed I put y equals mx plus b. That is to find the equation of a line. If we wanted to find the equation of a line, we're already halfway there. We got the slope. I recommend you check out Math by Fives and check out his formula and his video on finding the equation of a line given 2 points, which we were given. And we're halfway there. We got our slope. right here, and I'm going to let him do the rest. So check that out and continue practicing your math.